Alright guys, let's take a quick look at Hype or Hyperliquid on the channel for the first time. Now let me be clear, I don't have any Hyperliquid. I'm not going to talk down this coin. I think it's actually a good project. I wish I had some. And yeah, we just want to jump into the technical analysis here and let's see where this thing is headed. Now, looking at the volume first, guys, you can see we are right here. I know this is very hard to see. I have a lot of lines here, but basically we are above these bigger nodes. And the volume really drops off. So you can see, you know, basically once we get above 28, let's just say 28, 60, 70, this is really going to rocket very fast. Now, let me get rid of the volume profile. I think we've seen enough of that. Let's put this on a daily time frame. And I haven't marked off many daily time frames, you know, as to resistances and supports. Just because, you know, it doesn't make sense to really look down here. I've only done some of these local supports and resistances, so right now we are fighting with 27.48, but we are a few cents above that at the moment. Keep in mind we still have like a couple of hours before this candle closes. Now, the target of this flag, which is on a daily time frame, is sitting up here at about $31.10. Let's just say $31. And that's where I think this is headed, guys. And I think $31, even when it gets there, is probably going to be pretty cheap for Hyperliquid, you know, when it makes it there. Now, I don't know how high this will go, but I do think this will probably, if I had to guess, be about a $75 to $100 coin. Now, it can go higher, of course. Just have to wait and see. But this is, you know, this is one that I wish I had, honestly. Now, taking a look at the RSI, let's take a look and see how much more strength we may have in this move. On the daily time frame, it is pretty much overbought here on the RSI. Now, the Stoke, it is crossing back to the upside right in the middle, so it still has a lot of room to run here. Weekly time frame, probably not going to have much here. Yeah, I mean, it's not that old, guys. So RSI is, you know, trending up, but there is nothing printing on the Stoke, so we don't really have anything to go off higher than that. Now, 4-hour time frame, it is a little bit overbought here on the Stoke and probably going to cross back down, you know, to the downside here. Now, the RSI is kind of flirting with being overbought. So yeah, let's take a look at the 1-hour time frame real quick, and it's coming down here on the Stoke and just kind of flat on the RSI. So yeah, probably going to cool down, and a lot of things are starting to cool down. Just, you know, I sound like a broken record almost every video that I make. I say, yeah, mostly this is going to cool down, but yeah, that's just what the RSI and Stoke shows, guys. So yeah, we are finding support here. Let's just hope we can hold this support at least on a daily time frame, you know, and then basically, you know, make the run maybe up here to about 28.51 in the next, you know, day or two. So yeah. Now, if we take a look at the tokenomics, guys, there's 1 billion max supply. Circulating is about 33% of that right now. So that's not too bad. 333 million is circulating. If we look down here, the high was about $35, so you're getting about a 21.5% discount, and that was 5 months ago, guys. Now, if you pick this up at $3.81, you know, 6 months ago, congratulations, guys. You know, I wish I would have bought it back then. You never know with, you know, new coins, guys, and I tend to sell these if I get these, you know, types of coins. But yeah, if you picked it up, excellent pickup, I believe. I think this is one of the better projects now that I've heard a lot about it. It's the number 17 project too, guys. I mean, it's not a joke. So yeah, this is going to be a monster. Now, the Bitcoin price is kind of crashing down here. So we're sitting at 103.566. We do have support on a daily time frame at 103.381. And yeah, we did get a rejection up here at 104.580 today. And yeah, I mean, let's see what happens over the weekend. I don't think we're going to do too much. We're just kind of going sideways since the 8th of May. you know, when we get down here, people start to panic. When we get up here, people get euphoric. So right now we're, you know, people are kind of watching to see which way this goes, I believe. The Ethereum price, guys, it did actually break through this trend line here. Now, I think I made a video earlier today around 5 o'clock my time, and I think we were about right here. And since then, we've broken through this trend line, and, you know, we probably are going to come back down and I think probably retest the 2,500 mark. But hey, you never know. Total market cap is basically consolidating between 1.19 trillion and 1.25 trillion. The dominance, guys, it is getting kind of a hammer candle here. Though it's still red, you know, it looks like it wants to surge up still. Now, in my opinion, I do think it's just going to get a bounce here because this is very strong support. And it's like a 2.5-year trend line. So yeah, naturally it's probably going to get a bounce here before coming back down and crashing through. Now, the altcoin season index, it shows that it's Bitcoin season. And yeah, I mean, we're, you know, when that dominance keeps going up, this will keep going down. So, and then vice versa. Now, the futures actually has closed. We closed at 104.425. Now the dollar index is at 100.97, so it still has a little while until it closes for the weekend, but basically for the last 3 days it's been consolidating here. Now the liquidation heat map is at 187 million, and mostly longs have been wrecked, so that's not nice to see in my opinion. The fear and greed is at a 71. Basically we've been between 70 and 74 for the last 6 days. Now, the bull market peak indicator sell at the top is still 0 for 30, so you still have 100% hold here. Now, the best indicator is the Pi cycle top indicator, and in my opinion, it looks like it wants to curve back up. What do you think, guys? Leave a comment down below. Now, looking at the economic calendar for next week, guys, we do have one speaker on Sunday. We do have a few speakers on Monday. We also have this U.S. leading index on Monday as well. Now Tuesday, just one speaker here. Wednesday, nothing really. I know it looks like a lot, but it's nothing for us. Thursday, we do have jobless claims. We got PMI. We do have some manufacturing numbers. We also got a speaker here. So, you know, it could be a little bit volatile on Thursday, but if I put a 1 to 10 scale, it's probably like a 4, guys. Now, on Friday, there's just one speaker here, but that's pretty much it. It's pretty much a dead day on Friday as well. Now, taking a look at the FedWatch tools, about 91% believe we're not getting a cut. So 9% basically believe we are getting a cut. Now, we still have about 33 days basically until the next FOMC meeting. So these numbers can change drastically, guys. Now, today we have a green day at the moment. I don't know how long that's going to remain green. We've just been kind of flip-flopping today, so it's been, you know, green, then red, green, red. All day it's been like this. Now, I don't know if you can find Hype here. I just did a portal video a few minutes ago. And yeah, let's try to look for Hype real quick. And let's see. Okay, Hyperliquid. Are there any deals? Only one deal found on CoinW. So, do your homework, guys. I'm not sure if this is the only place. Sometimes they don't have the deals listed. For example, BitGet doesn't have anything here in CoinOndo. So, keep that in mind, guys. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, share this video with your friends. Look at some of the deals with the exchanges that I have below, guys. It would really help me out if you sign up with me and or through me. And if you want to sign up for Bitunix, guys, go to Bitunix. I know I'm not logged in right now to show you, but yeah, you can sign up there. And anyways, yeah, thanks a lot, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one.